Here are the top 5 best welder. Number 5. Forney 324 190 ampere multi-process welder. The Forney 324 multi-process welder is 220 volts or 120 volts CV/DC, one phase with 190 amp maximum output. The Forney 190 MP welder is a versatile multi-process machine capable of MIG, stick, or EZ-TIG welding. It will work great for maintenance and repair, light industrial, farms, automotive, boats, and general fabrication. This machine is MIG ready with regulator and gas hose and easily switches between welding processes. The Forney 190 MP is a new machine for Forney and offers quality features like spool gun capability, standard MIG and synergic MIG modes, stick electrode holder, quick Euro-style disconnect torch, extra long power cord, longer gun, torch with common consumables and HD cast aluminum feed, drive system with geared idler and drive rolls. The quality, performance, and value of this machine will impress. Comes with MIG and stick setup. The TIG torch and foot pedal are not included and available for separate purchase. Input power is 120 volts/230 volts, CV/DC, one phase. Maximum output is 190 amps. 10-foot MIG gun, torch. 15-foot power cord. Acceptable spool sizes are 4 inches and 8 inches. The weight is 43 pounds, 19.4 kg. Standard US gas hose setup. Comes with an easy-to-read quick startup guide. The 5/3/1 or advanced replacement warranty is as follows with 5 years, parts and labor or full replacement of transformer. 3 years, parts and labor or full replacement of all components and parts inside the battery charger or welder that cover within the exception of the transformer. 1 year, parts and labor for all components and parts outside the battery charger or welder cover, included but not limited to cables, clamps, switches, wheels and axle are not covered. 90 days for replacement parts. Does not include labor. See the description in the text below for the best, discounted price for this welder. Number 4. Lincoln Electric Powermig welder. Input power 120/1/6230/1/60 processes MIG, flux cord DC stick EZ-TIG versatile, rugged, simple to use. The Powermig 210 MP power supply is a multi-process welder for the hobbyist, educator or small contractor who wants to do MIG welding and a lot more, including stick, TIG and flux cord welding. The push and turn digital controls and color display screen make setup and operation intuitive and easy, while the all-metal wire drive and sturdy sheet metal construction make it rugged and ready for any job in the home or small shop. The Powermig 210 MP power supply is the ideal MIG machine for the welding novice, with plenty of room to grow as you gain more experience. One powerful machine, take it everywhere. Plug it in anywhere, lightweight and portable, just 40 pounds. Dual voltage inputs, 120 volts or 230 volts, means you can plug into any common power supply. Ready, set, weld. Intuitive push and turn digital controls make setup a breeze. Large color display guides you through the setup process. Advanced options and settings are simple to access. 210 amps, the power to tackle any job. MIG, weld up to 3/8 of an inch mild or stainless steel or aluminum up to 3/16 of an inch. Flux cord, self and gas shielded, tackle the biggest jobs. DC stick, handles up to 5/32 of an inch. Stick electrodes EZ-TIG, enabled by touch start TIG technology. Spool gun required. Includes Magnum Pro 175 liters gun, 10 feet 120 volts and 230 volts. Input cables, work cable and clamp electrode holder and lead assembly. Adjustable gas regulator and hose. Gas and gasless nozzles. Gun cable liner, pre-installed in gun. Spindle adapter. Sample 2 pounds, 0.90 kilograms. Spool of Super RKL 56 mild steel MIG wire. Sample 1 pound, 0.45 kilograms. Spool inner shield in R211 MP flux cord wire. 0.6 mm and 0.9 mm. Contact tips. See the description in the text below for the best, discounted price for this welder. Number 3. Hobart 50055 230-volt TIG welder. EZ-to-use interface with one knob and one switch control. AC output for superior aluminum welding, DC output for mild and stainless steel. Fan on demand to only have the fan run when needed, reducing dust, debris being pulled into the unit. Infinite amperage control for border operating range with finer control. Inverter-based power source provides a more consistent welding arc while using less power. Weighs only 50 pounds, 23 kilograms, so it's light to take anywhere. HF start to allow for a non-contact arc start to eliminate tungsten and material contamination. Auto post flow to provide optimum shielding based on welding amperage without waste or need for adjustment. Automatic high temperature shutdown, remote amperage control using the included foot control, hand control optional. Each unit is designed and manufactured in Appleton, Wisconsin, USA. Easy to use interface, all you need to do is power it up, select your material, and set the material thickness range. Fan on demand feature allows the fan to run only when needed, reducing dust, debris pulled into the unit. Welds 22 Ga up to 3/16 of an inch both AC, aluminum, and DC. HF start to allow for a non-contact arc start to eliminate tungsten and material contamination. Infinite amperage control provides broader operating range with finer control. See the description in the text below for the best discounted price for this welder. Number 2. Lincoln Electric Powermig K4195 Multi-Process Welder. The Powermig 210 MP power supply is a multi-process welder for the hobbyist, educator or small contractor who wants to do MIG welding and a lot more, including stick, TIG and flex cord welding. The push and turn digital controls and color display screen make setup and operation intuitive and easy, while the all-metal wire drive and sturdy sheet metal construction make it rugged and ready for any job in the home or small shop. The Powermig 210 MP power supply is the ideal MIG machine for the welding novice, with plenty of room to grow as you gain more experience. See the description in the text below for the best discounted price for this welder. And here comes the number 1. Hobart 500536 Ironman 230 MIG welder. Hobart Ironman 230 wire welder is an excellent choice for those looking for higher output amperage and longer duty cycle than what is found on the smaller units. It easily welds mild steel and stainless steel and also easily welds aluminum. Just add the optional Hobart DP 3545 20 spool gun and you're ready to weld aluminum from 18 gauge to ½ inch. Each unit is designed and manufactured in Troy, USA. Welds 24 gauge up to ½ inch material in a single pass. Excellent aluminum welding with optional Hobart DP 3545 20 spool gun, also provides extended reach with other wires. 12-tap voltage control allows for a smooth, easy to control arc. Infinite wire feed speed control for precise adjustment of penetration and weld bead shape. Comes complete with 200 amp gun and built-in running gear, cylinder rack. Built-in thermal overload protects the unit. Reversible drive rolls, 2 grooves for 2 wire sizes on 1 drive roll. Decreases spare parts and changeover time. See the description in the text below for the best discounted price for this welder.